Hello everyone, I would like to introduce one of the greatest tools for voice transcription. If you have a lecture, you have a meeting, you have anything, you want to transcribe the video or the audio file you want to extract the text from the audio in a video or in an audio file, you can use VoiceDraft. It's a very beneficial tool that have been built over reliable platforms like Cloudflare, Firebase, Railway. And as we mentioned, it's very powerful tool. It's fast, flexible. It supports more than 90 languages, and it is secure. One of the great features in VoiceDraft is that you can transcribe voice or video from one of these popular platforms, either from YouTube or Instagram or Vimeo, SoundCloud or TikTok. Also, a very helpful tool that I personally have benefited from is the chat with your transcription. If you transcribe an audio from a video file or audio file, you can chat with it basically. What that means you can just ask any question related to the audio or ask any follow-up questions about the audio. So personally, I benefited from this feature when I watch different videos in YouTube and I don't understand some of the videos. I just copy the link of the YouTube and the YouTube video and paste it in VoiceDraft. It will just transcribe the text and allow me to ask any follow-up questions. If I don't understand some of the ideas, it will answer me just right away. It's suitable for a lot of places. And as we mentioned, some of the most common places for voice transcription is lectures and meetings. And if we sign in to the website, you can go to the dashboard. You have multiple options to transcribe. You can upload a file and that file can be audio or video. You can record your audio, your voice. You can transcribe from platform, social media platform, as I mentioned earlier, that you can just transcribe from social media platform by pasting the URL. Here, just small example, I have transcribed a video from YouTube, and as you can see, this is the video transcribed.
You're getting bolder and bolder. Tool, the more you use, the more fruitless. And the language.
You can show it in line by line format.
The language, the English itself, it seems as if it's inspired, but no Western.
And this is URL for the video.
You're getting bolder
and you can summarize here. It's very fast. This is your summary. You can translate basically to any of these languages, like let's say Turkish. Here we go. So you can also ask anything about the transcribed text. What are the main points, for example? So this is the answer. So as you can see, all these features are under the free plan, the free trial plan. There is no specific or limit to the period of the free trial plan. So you can use it as long as you don't exceed the capacity for the free trial, the capacity for the number of minutes and the storage. You can upgrade if you exceed the limits. You can upgrade. You have the plans with very suitable prices, very cheap prices. We are less than our competitors. These prices are less than our competitors in the market. So if you have any complaint about the prices, just contact me. You have here the email. You can contact me on this email, support@voicedraft.ai. Anytime you can contact me about any related issue, anything about the pricing, for example, about new features you would like to add, and I'm ready to help.